And now for waltz time. So far we've learned a lot of stuff that's been in 4/4 time. So we just count 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the rhythmic cycles sort of revolve around that grouping. Now let's check out 3/4 time, which is very similar. You're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just go over the rhythm pattern on an A minor chord. Let's try to play this together. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now let's check out a few different strumming patterns that you can play in 3/4 time. First of all, we're going to play just C, and let's check out the first strumming pattern, which is just all downstrokes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And for the next strumming pattern, we're going to play a half note, which basically just lasts 2 beats, and then a quarter note. Let's try that strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3. All right, the third strumming pattern that we're going to learn for 3/4 is involving eighth notes. So you're going to play a quarter note and then 4 eighth notes. So just down, down, up, down, up. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3. All right, the last strumming pattern we're going to learn for 3/4 is a country strum, but it's also called an oompa strum because you're basically playing bass notes and then 2 treble notes. So it's just going to be bass, strum, strum, bass, strum, strum. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're going to learn one of the most widely known songs in the world, Amazing Grace. And there are a few things. First of all, it is in 3/4. It also has some pickup notes. So with that, you would just count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, ba-da-ba, and then it just starts right there. You can see that the 2 eighth notes precede where the song actually starts on the downbeat. Now you can play either the melody for this, which is written, or you can play the chords, which is what I'm going to show you now. Feel free to use any of the strumming patterns to play this. Just for this demonstration, though, I'm going to use just quarter notes for the first system of music. For the second system of music, I'm going to do a quarter note and then 4 eighth notes. Then for the third system, I'm going to use the second strumming pattern we learned, which is a half note and then a quarter note. But for the last 2 measures, I'm going to do the fourth strumming pattern, which is bass, strum, strum. Here we go.